In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers into Trello cards, whether you want to rank tasks, show sprint points, or simply keep a tidy sequence. Adding a number directly to a card's title is quick and reliable, and it displays right on the card so your team can see it at a glance. First, open Trello and head to your boards view. This is the home for all the boards you're part of. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you can access the board you need. From here, choose the board where you want to add numbering. Pick the one that holds the list or project you're working on. Once the board is open, locate the specific card you want to number. You can scroll through a list or use the search box at the top to find it faster if you're working with a busy board. Click the card to open its detail view. You'll see the card title at the top of this panel. Click directly on the title to make it editable. The cursor will appear and you can adjust the text just like editing a document name. Now type the number you want to use and press enter to save. That's it, the change is immediate. The updated title, including the number you added, will show on the card front on the board view as well. A few tips for clarity and consistency. Decide whether your number should go at the very beginning of the title or at the end. Placing it at the start helps with visual scanning and sorting, especially if your lists are long. If you're using numbers for priority, lower numbers at the front make the most important items stand out. If you're using them for sizing, like story points, consider enclosing the number in parentheses so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Keep your format consistent across the board so your team reads it the same way every time. If the card won't let you edit the title, you may not have permission to change it on this board, so check with the board admin. And if you're worried about losing context, remember that you're only changing the visible title. All descriptions, checklists, attachments, and comments stay exactly the same. Repeat the same quick edit on any other cards you want to number. With a clear numbering system in place, it becomes much easier to prioritize, sort, and discuss work during stand-ups and reviews. That's how to add numbers into Trello cards quickly and cleanly.